Okay, guys. Time for the reveal. And you probably have a good idea of what this is. So what we have here is what I think a more efficient blower fastener for inflatables. Now, I know, for example, my peers, they sell the webbing and the straps break, frequently, some damage, things like that. And I know that there's patch kits available online for somewhere between 30 and 40 bucks to basically replace what was there. It's a square vinyl strap. They sew the webbing onto it, they put an alligator clip on it, and boom, they give you glue, and then they tell you to just glue it on there. So, my offering is basically this. And so what we have here is this doodad, we'll call it a doodad, and the doodad straps, like you see here, around the blower, and it gives you two spots around the blower tube. And in my mind, in theory, we're improving the back pressure. So if you have a really tight inflatable, the pressure wants to come out here. Anyways, I think this improves it. But let's just take that, let's just say that's not even a bell or whistle. The cool thing is, if you need to replace the webbing for your blower to attach your blower, this is an option, a better option, a lasting option. So what you get is this piece here on top, and this piece here with the screws. Stainless so that it doesn't rust. And basically, you get a hole punch, you punch 4 holes, or actually what I did was I put this little square here. I got a little, a pencil, and I stuck it through the hole, so I made my mark, and then I got the hole punch, and I punched the hole, and then I just screwed them together, and bam. Some of you know, maybe not all of you know, but we use bungee to go around the blower tube. It's a better fit than the customary and historical webbing. But I just had this idea that there's a better way to connect a blower, and in my opinion, for what's available right now, this is the best way to connect a blower until somebody thinks up a better way. Anyway, so slip it in. Hold this right here. Pull it, tuck it, and you want to fit it into that slot right there, like so. The next one, same thing. It locks in. Adjust if you have to adjust. Turn on the blower. It's that simple. So when you're done, turn off your blower, right? Just stretch, and it'll pull out of the clasp right there. Boom. This is plastic. It has soft edges. It's not going to damage your inflatable. Flat screws. This piece, you can see it's what would you call it? Recessed. It's dug out a little bit in there so that when we do the screw will be flat. We have a little protection around the nut. Again, just want to avoid any scratch or damaging of somebody's inflatable or my inflatables that I built, right? So moving forward, this is gonna be a standard for all Superior product. At any time, this stuff needs to be replaced. It's gonna be really easy to replace. No sewing needed, no gluing needed. I imagine that the thing that'll give out first is the bungee, because bungee over time gives out. Well, we'll replace your bungee, just like we do all the other repairs for our product. No cost to you. So one more thing. So I think the cool thing about this is that this is basically just a tool to have in your toolbox or in your glove box, so that if you're at an event and something breaks, well, you have this. You do not have to screw it. You don't have to, if you don't want to poke holes and you don't want to screw it, you don't have to. So let's say this was in here, and let's say like this is where my bungee straps should be, right? So let's say they broke, they're missing. So we're going to slip this on here like that. That's kind of in the way, but I got it. Just like that. See? Where'd it go? I lost it. Oh yeah. You don't have to fasten it to the blower, to the tube, if you don't want to. It can be loose, just like that. New invention by me and Superior Inflatables. In your glove box, in your toolbox, in your fishing box, whatever your kit is that you travel around with, that has all the miscellaneous accessories for your party or after movie rentals. If you have drivers, you should have one of these or two of these in every driver's truck. Just saying. Anyways, guys. Let me know what you think. Comments.